With this one, the reason why I want you to look at this one is because what happens sometimes is learners multiply the 3 with the 2. And they say 2 times 3 is 6, but you can't do that. Okay? You always have to consider that if it's just a 2, it's actually 2 to the power 1. And if it's just a 3, it's actually 3 to the power 1. So then when you multiply the 3 with the 1, it becomes 2 to the power 3. Multiply the 3 with the 3, it becomes x to the power 9. Okay, so then you multiply it in. Okay, in the same here. So it's multiplied. 2 times 1 gives you 3 to the power 2. And then the 2 times the 2 multiplied with both gives you x to the power 4. Okay, so you multiply it in. And then what you can do is, because it's small numbers, you can say 2 to the power 3 is 8. And you can say 3 to the power 2 is 9. So then 8 times 9 is 72. And then x to the power 9 times x to the power 4. Now we add it. So you multiply into the bracket, but when it's like this, same base, you add 9 plus 4 gives you 30. Yes, there we go. X to the power 30. Okay, so that's the answer for that one. It would also have been fine, that's 72. It would also have been fine if you left it like this. 2 to the power 3. Especially if they say leave it as exponents or in this exponential form, then you can leave it like that. 2 to the power 3 times 3 squared x to the... But like I say, if it's small numbers, it's also for me fine if you change it to 8 times 9. Okay, now with this one, let's have a look at this one. Here, there's quite a few things. Okay, the first thing is, I normally say to the learners, just look which exponent is bigger. If you look at the a's, base a, 2, negative 3, which one is bigger? Obviously 2. So we take the negative 3 up and change the sign. So it's going to become a to the power 2 plus 3. Okay, when you take it up, change the sign. So between 4 and 2, which one is bigger? 4. So we take the 2 up, make it minus 2. So it's going to be times b to the power 4 minus 2. Then between these two, which one is bigger? 2 or negative 5? Obviously 2 is bigger than negative 5. Okay, so we have to take the negative 5 down and make it plus 5. Remember the sign changes. So negative 5 becomes plus 5. So it's 2 plus 5. So it's going to be over c to the power 2 plus 5. And then between 4 and 2, which one is bigger? 4 is bigger. So we take the 2 down and make it minus 2. So it's going to be times d to the power 4 minus 2. And then after you did that, swapping them to the side that's the better one for them to be at. Okay? For all of them, you check them separately with the same base. You just simplify. 2 plus 3 is 5, so you get a to the power 5. 4 minus 2 is 2, so it's b to the power 2. 2 plus 5 is 7, so it's c to the power 7. And then 4 minus 2 is 2, so it's d to the power 2. And that's the answer.